G'day, my name is Sean and I'm very excited because today's the day we get to take all these beautiful blocks and turn them into the Tree of Life Puzzle Mystery Quilt by Cotton Cuts. Today we get to see the whole thing come together and see the final design. I've sped it all up as a time lapse, so let's see it all come together in just a few moments and we'll show you the final result soon. And like that, the journey that we started back in early February, back in the depths of winter, is over and we have the completed quilt top. Let's take a quick look at how it looks. I think this turned out beautiful. I love the colours. It just looks absolutely spectacular together. It is impossible for me to show you this whole thing like this, so I'm going to put a picture up here as well. If you missed it, go back and check out the Cotton Cuts live reveal because I showcased this one along with some of the other ambassadors as well, as along with some of the Cotton Cuts team as well. It was a lot of fun to be part of that activity, and it's definitely a lot of fun to go check out because each colorway looks totally different, even though it's the exact same pattern. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, hit that like button. It helps me out immensely. And if you're looking to join in on the Puzzle Mystery Quilt, then sign-ups for the upcoming one, which will start in February, will open in early December. Keep an eye out on my channel and also the Cotton Cuts channel for those dates as well, so that way you don't miss out. Apparently you're going to have 10 colorways, and a lot of more information will be coming out in the coming days and weeks. Hope you all have a great day. Happy sewing, and we'll see you next time. Bye.